Hello and welcome to UPS Education. In this video, we will show you how you can apply for M.Phil in Clinical Psychology and Ph.D in Clinical Psychology at NIMHANS, Bangalore. In this video, we will guide you about how you can fill up the form and register yourself for the entrance test. So let's get started. Firstly, we will visit the Google Chrome tab and search for www.upseducation.in. Now we will click on Updates tab. In this Update tab, we will search for NIMHANS Bangalore's admission article. We will click on the same. In this article, we have mentioned all the related details of NIMHANS Bangalore admission 2020-22 for M.Phil Clinical Psychology and Ph.D in Clinical Psychology. You may get all the details and apply for the same through this link. We will click on that. Now we have reached on NIMHANS' admission portal for 2020-22. Now, if you have already registered yourself, you will click on user login, and if not, you will click on new registration. As the tab opens, you will fill up all your related details. Here you will fill up your name, your middle name, your last name, and your date of birth. There is a age limit criteria at NIMHANS. For PhD it is 40 years and for M.Phil it is 32 years. It is the maximum age limit. Now we will fill all the related details. Now we will generate the OTP. Now the OTP has been sent to you on your phone number. So we will confirm the same. So now we have received the OTP and we will click on register. Are you sure you want to submit? We will click OK. On this page you will fill out all your personal details like your passport size photo, your signature. Fill out all your details carefully. Now we have mentioned all the details here. Now we have filled all the related details. Here you will attach your photograph, your signature, and you will attach your age of proof here, your name of your father, name of your mother, any guardian's name, relationship with the guardian, contact number of the guardian or parent, an email ID of your guardian or parent, your permanent address, your PIN code. You will click here if the permanent address is same as above. This column is of your nationality, state, domicile, religion, category, caste, and blood group. If you have filled all the details accordingly, now give an alternative contact number, an alternative email ID, make sure to check all the details one time at least. Now we have reached on the page of educational qualification details. Now we will fill up all the related details like the category that you are applying under. Under this column, if you are applying for external fellowship, you will select external fellowship. If not, then you will select institute stipendiary. You may select sponsor, deputed, and enhanced project according to your preferences only. Your previous qualifications, I will fill up Masters in Psychology. Now if you are applying for any medical related course, you will fill all the details here. The duration of the Masters should be 2 years at least. If you possess a MCI certificate, you will attach the file here only. Now you will fill up the name of your last university attended, the year of passing examination, your aggregate marks. Make sure to fill all the details accordingly and check it once again to make sure there are no errors. Make sure to fill all your details accordingly and try to check your details once again to make sure there are no errors. Now we will click here and upload the educational certificate like your last year degree. Now we will select the course that we are applying for. Remember, we are applying for M.Phil in Clinical Psychology as well as we are applying for Ph.D in Clinical Psychology. You may apply only one or two according to your preference only. Now here is the column for work experience detail. You will fill them accordingly. I will click save and next. Now there was an error. You need to name your document that you want to submit. And now I will click on save and next. Now we have reached on the payment page. Now you just need to pay your application fee. Like I have applied for 2 courses, so it is 3,000. If you are applying for Ph.D in Clinical Psychology or M.Phil in Clinical Psychology separately, here you will be seeing 1,500 only. Now I will click on proceed to pay. According to your preferences, you can select the payment method and pay your fee to complete the application. Thank you for watching the video. We hope it was helpful for you. Stay motivated and keep learning with UPS Education.